an easy way to get the hair out of your face. Using your natural part, pull a section, twist that hair in, push it forward, creating volume at the front, and secure with a pin. You don't have to be too careful. We want to just create a nice soft look, a little lift up at the front, pulling that hair out of your face. Take the hair from the other side, twist the hair in, and push it forward and secure with a pin. Amber was having a little trouble finding the balance. We just want to pull that hair away from the face, twist it for a little bit of hold, and push it forward in order to create a nice volume. You don't have to be too careful, too perfect. So using her head shape and her natural hair texture, we will create a secure and fun style.